Over 250,000 organisms fall under the Plantae kingdom. The Plantae kingdom is made up of all multicellular cells, and the plants are divided into 12 phylums. Plants in this kingdom cannot move on its own, and is made up of eukaryotic cells. Eukaryotic cells have a nucleus and contains a nucleus membrane. Also, they can make their own food through photosynthesis, which is the process of taking carbon dioxide, water, and sunlight to transfer them into sugar and oxygen.
These 12 phyla are split into two groups, the non-flowering Cryptogamae, which are non-seed-bearing, and the flowering Phanerogamae, which have seeds. Seeded plants reproduce by fertilization, and non-seeded plants reproduce by their spores. Conifers are non-flowering plants that reproduce by making seeds.
One of the phyla is called division Coniferophyta. They have cones, conifers, pine trees, and cedars. This division is mostly made up of evergreen trees and shrubs. Examples of plants in this division are fir and spruce trees. The fir tree is multicellular and has eukaryotic cells. These cells have a nucleus and other membrane-bound organelles.
Another phylum is called division Gingophyta. They have trees with fan-shaped leaves. An example of a plant in this phylum is Biloba trimonia. These plants reproduce by the male trees producing pollen, cones, and sporophylls. The pollen relies on the wind to transfer grains to the female trees. Female trees form two ovules on the end of a stalk. After pollination, the ovules will turn into small seeds. This plant is in the Plantae kingdom since it produces with their spores.
Another phylum is the division Anthophyta. This phylum consists of flowering plants. Plants in this kingdom all have broad, flat leaves, and they have a part of the plant that produces pollen. Examples of plants in this phylum are the Asian pitcher plant and the mad gossip periwinkle.
One example of an organism in the Plantae is the baby breath flower, or Gypsophila. The baby's breath flower falls under the Anthophyta division. The baby's breath flower is in the Plantae kingdom because it is an autotroph. An autotroph, also known as a producer, is an organism that produces complex organic compounds from simple substances that are present in their surroundings. They typically gain energy from light or inorganic chemical reactions.